Hi, my name is Dennis, founder of Simple Wealth Solution. Today I would like to share one tips for you. May probably will have to save couple of hundred, couple of thousand. Okay, do you ever think about your device spoil and then at the end of the day you go to buy new device? Okay, this is a tip for today. The tip is, when your device spoil, please check your device warranty whether it expired or not. So like my real case experience, 1 month ago actually I have my router spoiled. So my router is spoiled, so I found very upset. Normal lah, most of people when things spoil get upset, is it? So what I do is I thinking to buy new one, but before my new one, I was thinking whether my router is under warranty or not, because as I know, Asus is 3-year warranty. So I go to call my Asus, I check my receipt, everything. In fact, I also lost my receipt. I just checked with Asus, I just call them up, I give them a router serial number. In fact, they're checking for me, they say my router is going to expire on October 13, so it's been this month 13, but that time is on September. So what I do is I check with them, then how do I send to warranty? So they say you can send it to the Puchong service center. So I every drive plan next day, I just drive my car to send to Puchong service center, then pass them to tell them my error, got some error code is there and some not functioning, malfunctioning. So they say okay, they can be service the thing. Okay, then after 1 month I check back. So today I finally they give me the exchange, the whole new router. So you can see from here I can save probably 2,000 something for this router. So from here I always encourage everyone, before your routers, any items for electronic device or anything, check the warranty first, whether warranty is still valid. You will not know, maybe there is a last day for warranty, you're still able to claim the whole new device, or you can fix it and without pay additional cost. These are tips for today. Thank you very much. See you on next video.